Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I'm showing you how to transfer money from Paysafecard to Revolut in just a few simple steps. Whether you've got some leftover Paysafecard balance or want to move funds to a Revolut account, this guide's got you covered. Let's dive in. So my friends, first things first, Paysafecard is a prepaid voucher you can buy at stores, while Revolut is a digital banking app. And unfortunately, you can't directly transfer funds from a standard Paysafecard voucher to Revolut, but don't worry, there's a workaround using the My Paysafecard account and a bank transfer. Key feature here, you'll need both accounts set up. Ready? Let's move on. Right guys, so firstly head to Paysafecard website and sign up or log in into your account if you haven't already. This is where you can manage your vouchers and you can add your Paysafecard pins to your account by logging in and entering the 16-digit codes. Once your balance is loaded, you're set to transfer it out. This step is crucial, it turns your voucher into usable digital funds. Now here's the trick, My Paysafecard lets you withdraw funds to a bank account. Go to the payout section, enter your bank details like your Revolut account's IBAN and BIC, which you can find in the Revolut app under Account Settings. Important note, there's a small fee, usually around €6, and it takes 3 to 4 business days. Double check your details to avoid delays. And after that, just submit your withdrawal request on My Paysafecard. You will need to verify your identity, of course, so have that handy. Once approved, the money lands on your Revolut account. Key tip, track the transfer in both apps to stay on top of it. And that's it, your funds are now in Revolut, ready to spend or exchange. Guys, if you liked this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Also leave a comment if you've tried this out. See you in the next one, bye for now.